This is one of the coolest solar flares I've seen in a long time. And I'm a solar astrophysicist, so I spend a lot of time looking at flares. This is a solar flare from yesterday, and it clocked in at the X1 level. X is the highest class of solar flare, so X1 is like the bottom of that highest class. This is a movie just there of the solar flare in ultraviolet light, extreme ultraviolet light. We can't see these wavelengths with our eyes. And all a solar flare is a conversion of energy from magnetic fields in the sun's atmosphere to light, the acceleration of particles and the heating of plasma. But what makes this flare special isn't the flare itself, it's what comes along with the flare. See, in about half of flare cases, we get something like this. That is not the flare. That is a coronal mass ejection, or the ejection of mass from the sun's atmosphere, which we call the corona. Zooming out here, we get a wider view of this. You can see just how large these structures are. This is the view from a different telescope. And the region that caused this eruption on the sun is actually going to rotate to face Earth in the next week or so. So if we get another eruption like this, which we may well do, we could be due for another showing of the northern lights, similar to the large ones we saw last year.